Villa Almerico Capra, also identified as La Rotunda, is a mansion on a remote location in the city suburban of Vicenza in Italy, designed by Andrea Palladio in 1550 and completed by the Capra brothers in 1591. The design features are a manifestation of classical Renaissance. The Villa Rotunda is adorned with pediments and are refined by statues of classical deities supported by 6 Ionic columns. The villa is accompanied by fine countryside landscape, balanced with meadows, trees surrounded with wood, provides a wonderful scenic view. The villa mentally awakens the 5 senses. As we enter the villa, we can see the stunning vivid gardens as the fresh breeze blows across our face. The birds are chirping a melody and the smell of fresh flowers relaxes us and compels us to sit down and drink tea or lemonade under the shade. The client was a retired priest from the Vatican by the name of Pablo Almerico, Pope Pius IV. The priest sought a countryside house for agricultural outlook where he hosted numerous elaborate get-togethers. As we enter the northwest portico, we rise up a steep hill, sensing and ascending a temple high above the hill. The illusion of reaching the heavens is also displayed throughout the villa. As we enter the courtyard into the villa's wide steps and large decorative retaining walls, a large centric dome made it possible to entertain large crowds, and the villa's lavish garden offered an open, memorable space, freeing the mind as we become one with nature. The villa inspiration came by the Pantheon in Rome. Centric space is clearly distinguished in Villa Rotunda as its square floor plan with the central 2-story rotunda. The intact 4 facades were designed to give the sense of frontal view. Some extended, others are limited, and others terminated by the horizontal satin. Therefore, it can be enjoyed by every angle location from the garden. The design was rotated in a 45-degree angle from each cardinal point of the compass in order to capture sunlight into the rooms. The primary rooms were located on the 2nd floor, also called Piano Noble. This Italian Renaissance mansion can be divided horizontally and vertical, creating an axis in the highest peak of the centered dome. The cross-axis floor plan reflects the same image in all 4 sides, dividing the spaces equally yet providing a different use for each space. The axis technique provides order as the direction of movement throughout the mansion. The symmetrical pattern is equally balanced in shape and size. The villa may have been the inspirational force of many subsequent buildings, with their mathematically profound, precise designs. The interior design also transmits classical Renaissance with walls decorated in trompe l'oeil, as the main hall is surrounded by a balcony with a hovering dome ceiling, holding the main house and arriving at the cupola. Adorned with frescoes by Anselmo Canera, Alessandro, and Giovanni Battista Maganza, creating the Piano Noble 4 principal salons, are recognized as the holy rooms due to the religious scenery of its frescoes and organic ceiling create cathedral scenery. In 1994, this notable and impressive building was selected as part of the World Heritage Site Vicenza, City of Palladio, and was comprehensively renamed City of Vicenza and Palladian Villas of the Veneto.
Starts to